get this text quite close. Okay. Alright, so with our elevations, before I start pasting them on the sheet, I'm just moving this a bit closer to the view and making sure I'm cutting pretty low to the bottom here. So this I can cut a bit more. Perfect. Switch off that. Go to east. This one I can cut a bit more. So make sure that's quite far back. That's fine. These I can pull back a bit. Okay, that's fine. Switch that off. Okay, north, south. That one I can also cut back a fraction. Okay, switch that off. And west. Okay, that also needs a bit of work. Okay, we'll fine tune it in a second. That's all great. Okay, so with your elevations, what you need to do is you need to add some symbols of a gutter. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to one of the side views and I will draw in my gutter. Okay, so the gutter, we're going to make a group. We're going to make two. We're going to call a side and front. Okay, so let's start with our side view of our gutter. Switch on your wireframe mode. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll create a detail line and we'll start in the middle here. Pull this down. Okay, it's fine for now. So I'm going to change this line to 2. So we're just going to use the line weight 2 and we're going to make our gutter 75 wide. So you're going to use the offset tool, use the copy, and you're going to say equals to 75 divided by 2, and you're going to offset this and offset this one in this direction. Okay. Okay, then what I'll need to do is just get this in a goodish location. I think this would work. Let's use this line here. That will work fine. Okay, then I'm going to use a detail line again, and I'm going to offset from this side of the wall. I'm going to offset 50 mil. And let's make it 25 mil. Okay, let's pull down. Make this layer line 2. Okay, then I'm going to use a detail line again. Make it line 2. Pick anywhere in here, and I want it at 30 degrees. Okay, trim. Okay, then I'm going to use offset 75. Okay, so before I carry on any further, I want to select this line work and make this a group. Call this gutter side. Sorry, my mistake. Rainwater pipe. Rainwater pipe side. That's okay. Okay. Now that I've got the bones in place, I'm going to trim this. Trim this. Okay, and it will. Okay, select this. Okay, let's pull one of these down. Okay, pull this one down. Okay, then you've got a shoe at the end here. Detail line again. So I'm just going to grab this. This will also be at 30 degrees. So annotate angle 30. I'm just using a working dimension here. Okay, 120, that's fine. And I'm going to offset this guy by 75. Trim this. Okay, I'll get this. Okay, then I'm going to use another detail line. Make this 75. Okay, trim this, grab this line work, and then just move it to the DPC line. That will work. Then I'm going to use a detail line just to show the bends. Okay, you notice you would want to use a masking region for this. Okay, so what you can do is grab this line work, just this line work, and you're going to use the cut tool, and you're going to go to architecture, annotate, mask region, start a command, and you can use the paste from clipboard, and I will move all of this, move this in line with that. Excellent. Just note that you don't need this bit of line work because it's hidden behind your barge board, so I'm going to use hidden lines. Pick these tools. Apologies, I'm going to use invisible lines, and then I'll trim this with that. And just remember, this always needs to be a closed. Okay, match that with 2, trim this, delete this, and then finish the command. Okay, so it's just showing that it's hidden behind. We're going to bring some line work back in a minute. Another thing I need to show is just some support. So right click, create some detail lines. So create similar, line weight 2, grab one in the middle, take this back, copy this guy down 15 mil. Okay, grab this line work, and you're going to copy this guy, copy, and we're going to put it in the middle of this. Okay, so it's about over there. Excellent. So there's our gutter in place. Okay, if I switch off my hidden command, shaded, my apologies, hidden. Okay, there's our gutter line. So actually, I'm just going to edit this group again, edit group. I'm going to change this to line weight 2. Okay, so this line I'm going to change, so edit, change this to 2, finish command. Okay, just edit here again, edit the group, and send back, and detail line. Okay, just copy this one, copy it to the same bend, and then TS. Okay, finish command. Okay, perfect. We can use the mirror tool. So mirror it on the other side. So now that we've got our, actually I'm going to move this just below, it's a bit high. No, that's fine, because usually you put in a bit of concrete here. Okay, that's fine. Now I'll push it below the DPC. That's the good thing to do. Edit group. Because it's a group, what's great is I'm going to move it down. So let's move it down 75 mil. Okay, edit this guy, edit this, and then move this down 75 mil. Perfect. Finish the command. Done. Excellent. Finished. Okay, that will work. Alright, so the water spills out below the DPC. Alright, that's great. Okay, the next thing we need to do is I need to create a gutter front. So while I don't want to do this in another view, I'd much rather create it in this view, so I can use this one to kind of get everything right. So what I'll do now is I'm going to go to filled region. I'm just going to pull some of these. So let's select layer 2. Grab this, I'm going to grab this, I'm going to grab this. Okay, I'm going to grab this line here. Offset that by 75. Okay, so we know that this is our circle, so I'm going to use this tool. I use one detail line. Okay, use this ellipse tool, select the center, pick there from there to there. It's great. And then I'm going to use split tool, switch off your line weights, use the split tool. So you split, click there and there, and then I'm going to trim this with that, trim this with that, close that, close that, close that, close that, and then trim the top. Okay, trim this and this. Okay, finish the command. Switch this off for the time being. Grab this guy, make it a group. I'm going to call this rainwater pipe front. Press OK. Okay, edit group. Okay, I'm going to use detail line. You just simply pick these. Use your pick line tool. Select this line work, move it. Okay, it's fine. Detail line. I can just do this very quickly. Detail line. Okay. So trim multiple. Select this. Click, click. Trim multiple. Click, click this. Okay, that's great. Then what I want to do is use my detail line again. I want to indicate where this bend occurs, where this bend occurs, and where this bend occurs. I'll use the center line. I'll just do this once. Okay, detail line. Use my arc tools from there to there, and it bends down to there. Delete that. Copy this one up. Copy that to that. Okay, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay, let's show how the pipe bends. Okay, the next thing I need to do is detail line. Okay, so I need to create snap center. So let's create a detail line there to there, and create another detail line from there to there. Okay. This one needs to snap to this one. So snap nearest, snap middle. Let's do that again. Detail line, so let's snap TM. Okay, so create similar. Okay, use this tool, find the center. Perfect. Get rid of those detail lines, and then copy this down, copy this center to there. Just note that this will mirror down, so mirror this line, say don't copy, mirror it along this axis down. Done. Okay, finish command. Move your origin to the top middle. Okay, and you can delete that. You don't need it anymore. And switch on your crops. That's great. Then you want to go to your south. Then you're going to go to your groups right at the bottom. Find your groups. Okay, rainwater front. Okay, so rainwater front, just drag and drop it in the view. I'm going to pick anywhere on here. That's fine. Okay, this I'm going to move. So let's move it from the end of the wall. Let's move this 150 away from the edge of the wall. It will work. Select this guy, mirror, find the, so snap M for middle of the roof, SM, and you're going to mirror it around there. That's great. Copy these two. Copy tool, go to north, and you're going to go to paste. So here you're going to go to paste. Okay, and you're going to move, select this guy, so on this line I'm going to move it 150. Done. Now your rainwater pipes, you're going to go to south, that's fine, east, so this one you're going to copy these two. Okay, you're going to use the copy tool, go to east, and you're going to go to paste. Okay, you're going to move this to center, move this, select this again, select this one again, just say move, use this endpoint and use SM, SE to snap end, done. Okay, that's great, nothing is interfering, and it hides that in the background. Perfect. Okay, on your north and south you need to add a ridge capping, so you're going to go to annotate, mask region, check none, and you're going to make this line weight 3, select this top corner, go to this end, and we're going to make it down 150, finish command. Okay, switching the line weights, that's great. Select this guy, copy it, go to south view, paste, align to current view. Perfect. Okay, so that's all done. Okay, so what's left to do? We need to put the window numbers on, so let's go to north. My project is north, paste, align to current view, press cancel, go to modify, paste, and then just drop it in. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to change the order. So what you could do is use the mirror tool. That's great. So then what I can do is just get these guys in the correct location. Done. Okay, these two I'm just going to mirror tool around that. Select these two, use a mirror tool, switch copy off, then use a mirror tool around the center, use a mirror tool, select the text, use a mirror tool, make sure copy's off. Okay, use a mirror tool, make sure copy's off, center, use a mirror tool, copy, make sure copy's off. Done. Okay, there's your text. For your windows, the next thing I want you to do is add in some heights for your windows. Okay. The eye, and align the dimension. Okay, select this text, just move it away. Grab these guys, just make sure it lines, and that will be in line with that. Okay, just move it away a fraction more. Perfect, and I'll do the same on this side. So DI, select this window. Self view, Control V. Okay, that's great. Everything else looks great here. Okay, just give the shop front a height in the front. Okay, that will do in the command. It's great. Go to West View. This needs some information. Excellent. This needs a number, so we need to go to ground floor. Select this information. Move this into the cell. Control C. Go to West, Control V, and then just rotate 90 and then put this guy below here. You can select this and this. Use a mirror tool, switch copy off, select the middle of the window, done. Okay, that's that. Okay, alright, so before we get too carried away and just start placing these, so north view, north we can put at the top here, north, east, okay, so north, east, south, west. Okay, I can drag this font in here, grab this, make this smaller, do the same here, pull this in here, I can align to the top there, grab this, make this smaller, that can align to that. Okay, so this view can align more. These two we can move. These two we can also move. Okay, south we can move this. There, grab this, pull this back. Okay, do this. North, grab this, pull this back. Excellent. North, east, south, west. Okay, grab this. That's fine. So this we can pull back quite a lot. Okay, and this we can pull back quite a lot. Great. Okay, so all that we have left to do now is just to annotate these. So we can start in, let's go to north. I'm going to go to section AA. I'm going to grab I'm just going to grab some of this, ridge capping, roof sheeting, gutter, fascia, masonry wall. The rest I can leave. I'll grab the NGL and DPC, Control C, go to north elevation, okay, Control V. Okay, this I can pull right just close. It will work. Ridge capping, pull this up, get this nice and square, pull this down. Roof sheeting, that will do. Gutter, this we can pull down. Fascia we can pull down. Okay, gutter we can put in here. Okay, that's perfect. Fascia, timber masonry wall, we can put this a lot lower. Grab this guy, drag this up, and drag this down. Okay, so here we've got a brick on edge sill, and this is a aluminium window. Use backslash aluminium window. Okay, make these a bit smaller. Gutter we can make smaller. Roof sheeting we can make smaller. This we can make smaller. Okay, so we've got all this information in. Okay, so this is your NGL. This is your DPC. And this is your rain pipe. Okay, that's your rainwater pipe. Okay, you're going to use a detail line, and you're going to make sure DPC selected, and you're going to draw a line right across. Okay, DPC, you're going to move your DPC to this side, drag this back a fraction, that's fine. Okay, copy this, rainwater pipe, put this over there. Okay, that is complete. Okay, so you're going to grab all this information. Okay, DPC. Okay, and you're going to go Control C, copy. You're going to go to South Elevation, paste, align to current view. Cancel, paste, align to current view. Control Z, you're just going to use the paste tool, and you're going to try and get this. You're going to use this end, move this to there. Done. Okay, the DPC in this is not going to work quite this way, so we'll split this and TS to here. So trim single, trim, select this to there, and you're going to use trim again, select that to there. Okay, that's your DPC, that's all that. Okay, that's brickwork. Okay, so here you're going to have okay, so this is going to be slightly different, this view. Okay, so you're going to have an aluminium double door. Okay, you're going to have an aluminium double door. This you're going to move here. And you're going to switch off that. See. Here you're going to go control. Okay, it's an aluminium shop front. Put this in here. Everything else is the same. Rainwater pipe, that's all correct. Ridge capping, gutter, DPC, rainwater pipe, excellent. Okay. So then you just need to focus on your east. Control V. Okay. Move. Okay. Move. Snap end. Okay, this I'll move this way. This I'll move this way. Okay, this is your NGL. That's over there. DPC I'll put in here. This I'll put over here. Okay. Get rid of all of that. I'm going to grab this. Keep control down. Move that there. Grab that. Pull that over there. Okay. Alright, so this elevation is going to have okay, this is going to be your roof sheeting. This. Gutter. This little ones will move that way. got barge board. So that's roof shooting barge board, gutter, NGL. Copy this here, NGL. Okay. That's that complete. Okay, and then you're gonna grab all this information and your DPC. Grab your DPC, grab that, copy, and then you're gonna go to west elevation, Control V, put it anywhere, move it while it's still blue, grab that and move this over here. Okay, just remember DPC goes this side. We didn't do this correctly, copied the wrong one. That's fine, so move this there. NGL's fine. Pull this side, grab this information, dump this over there. Grab the endpoint of this, stick this over there. TS used trim single. Trim that there. Grab this and put this over there. Okay, everything is exactly where it needs to be. So this view just needs to change a bit. So this I'll put in the middle. This I'll move down to the bottom. This I'll move. Okay, gutter. Okay, that will get rid of. Put this there. An edge cell. This can go to there. Alright, roof sheeting. So that we don't need. Okay, we only need one thing from the east elevation. Copy. Copy west elevation. You're going to paste this. Paste. And then just grab this and make sure it lines up with that. Okay. Okay, so that's that for the east elevation. Let's go back to your sheets.